Opentoys YouTube channel. Hi boys and girls, and welcome to Professor Opentoys YouTube channel, where we tell corny jokes and we open up toys. But before we get to Peppa Pig, hey, and this is George and his new scooter, let's tell a corny joke. Oh, yes. What did the mama say when the little tomato, sorry, not corn, when the little tomato was falling behind? Ketchup! Ketchup! Tomato ketchup. Corny liked it. Some people like ketchup on hot dogs. I like it on hamburgers. See, it's a versatile condiment. Anyway, let's get to Peppa Pig. This is George, and he has a shiny new red scooter. Besides George, you can get Peppa Pig, you could get Delphine, Donkey. Professor needs a haircut. Maybe bangs. Do you think I look good in bangs? George. And Grandpa Pig. Ooh. And they're not very expensive. Do your chores, maybe you'll get an allowance, and you can go out and buy the whole Peppa Pig collection. Let's see, George, you want to get out of there? See. Oh, he speaks Spanish. Very good. Muy bien. There was a piece of Professor's hair on his face. Sorry about that. Don't sneeze. So, Peppa likes to do acrobatic stuff. Okay, can you get on here? Oh, sure, here. Peppa. See, boys and girls, when you're on bicycles and scooters, what do you wear? Protective helmet. If Professor wore a protective helmet when he was little, he'd be normal now. Watch out for corny. Oh, a loop-de-loop. Very good, George. George is my hero. Good job, George. Well, thanks for watching, George. Good. Nice, George. Thanks for watching Professor Opentoys YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like below. And come back soon. And remember, George, what does Professor Opentoys almost always say? Love your toys, and they will love you back. Thanks, George. Say goodbye to everybody. Bye. Well, that's not how George talks, but make believe he's talking. It's Professor Opentoys YouTube channel.